roaring vortex of winds, up to 1,000 miles wide, gusting at over 200 miles per hour. This is a hurricane. Its energy is equivalent to exploding an atomic bomb every second. Hurricanes are the costliest natural disasters on Earth, and they claim more lives each year than any other storm. They spiral towards the Florida Peninsula and the Gulf of Mexico from the Atlantic Ocean. In the Pacific, the same phenomenon is known as a typhoon. In the Indian Ocean and around Australia, it's called a tropical cyclone. Seen from the space shuttle, a hurricane is a tight anti-clockwise spiral of clouds centered around a clear central hole, the eye of the storm. The National Hurricane Center in Coral Gables, Florida, monitors hurricanes over a vast area, stretching from the Caribbean across the U.S. mainland and out to Hawaii. It's critical to know where and when they'll hit land. They claim more lives than any other storm.
I finally arrived to Monterrey City, and the rain's got worse, and the wind is worse also. I'm about to get home, but fortunately I made it through the. There was a lot of pebbles and rocks, and there was a lot of rocks, and the mountains were like. How was that called? Like an avalanche, but there's no snow, there's just rocks. Something like that happened several parts of the highway. Okay, so this is the rain, and the hurricane. The hurricane is on its way. It's supposed to arrive tomorrow by noon. So we'll keep updated. This is Gabriel Saldana, and goodbye.
This is fireman again! Someone help me! My phone is over! I'm sticking my hands! I gotta deal with this craziness! How dare you, J. Tony Jameson! Why'd you send me down here?
This is Milltown Road. I'm up to my knees, and as I'm standing here, you can see car after car come over the crest and realize, no, I don't think so. This is North Branch Park. This is one of several entrances to the park. You can see the water rushing. To give you an idea of the depth, here's the main building. And you can see the parking lot with the handicap signs, so we're up to the bottom of the handicap signs. The North Branch of the river is beyond the tree line.